ethical issues. Definition of ethical issue. Ethical issue is principles of an individual or a group of people dealing with, related to, it's better to say related to, social, legal, etc. issues or factors which hamper, or it's better to say which hampers or which affects our lifestyle. Now, how ethical issues are related to use of biotechnology? Use of biotechnology is mainly introduction of of one or more foreign genes in a specific organism to obtain desirable product. That's the main aim of biotechnology. There is no limitation of this aim. Biotechnology introduction of foreign genes can be unlimited. Unlimited number of genes can be introduced in unlimited number of species of living beings. So basically following are the issues related to biotechnology. Environmental problems, or it's better to say environmental problems, then patent related problems, and biopiracy. I'll discuss one by one. First one, environment related problems. When a foreign gene, or when a new gene, we can say, when a foreign gene is introduced in any living being, then it may cause harmful effects on different ecosystems, because we do not know, only the effect of the scientist or the biotechnologist only observe the effect of the foreign gene, means only whether it is producing the product or the host cell or host organism or host species is damaged, or any side effect is found or not, for suppose 1 or 2 generations. More than that it is not possible. But in case of long run, in a long period of time, what will be the effect of foreign gene? Because if a gene is introduced in an organism, that can be passed in other organisms of the same species as well as different species, which may cause harmful effect. For example, it can cause deletion or addition of genes, means mutation, which may delete or make that which may cause extinction of the species as well. That's the maximum effect. Now, patent related problems. The main problem related to patent is, okay, first we must know what is patent. Patent is when one organization claims right. Right means claims right on a specific product or a species of organism. So what is patent? Patent is a right of an organization, mainly industrial organization, on a product or a species of living being, on a specific living being. For example, basmati rice. Now, what are the problems related to patent? Many farmers complain, and they say that their main complaint is that the technologies that use genetic materials, plant and biological resources. So any company who claims who is claiming patent right, that product means genetic material or plant or biological resources have been long identified, developed and used by farmers and indigenous genus people of a specific region or country. So mostly farmers and indigenous people claim or they have proved also that the genetic materials, plants or other biological resources which is claimed, any of these claimed patent right by any industrial company, is basically identified, developed and used for a long period of time in a specific region or country. For example, rice. Rice is it is used for a long period of time in agricultural history in Asia, because we all know that rice is the most common food in South Asia or Asia. Most common, or it is the main type of food. So when basmati rice, 27 unique varieties of aroma and flavor are grown in India. But what happened? In 1997, an American company got patent right on basmati rice through US Patent and Trademark Office. Once a company gets patent right on any product, then any other company or even the farmers cannot grow or sell that product. That is the rule of patent. So as a result, Indian means what the company basically did, they just crossed Indian varieties to Indian varieties, semi-dwarf varieties. And they claim that they had invented novelty. So they claimed patent right, but that is wrong. And several attempts also made on other products to get patent right, which is used for a long period of time as medicine or herbal product. For example, turmeric and neem. Now coming to the third point, that is biopiracy. So what is biopiracy? Basically biopiracy is the term used to refer to the uses of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned. Without proper authorization as well as without proper compensatory payment. So biopiracy is the term used to define improper obtaining improper information as well as low or not providing compensatory payment to the countries or the people related to that product. So define improper use of information or product or anything else or any living beings by multinational companies or other organizations without taking permission from the country or the people related, as well as low compensatory So we can say it is a kind of theft. Now, what are the examples? Few examples are given, and also that what happens in case of industrial countries, industrialized nation. They are rich in money, means their financial condition is very good, but they are very poor in natural resources, biogeochemical resources and bioresources. So biodiversity and traditional knowledge related to bioresources are only found or only observed or cultured in developing and underdeveloped world or underdeveloped and developing countries. For example, India, and we can say in case of continent Africa. So that traditional knowledge is exploited by those industrialized nation, but they do not pay proper compensation, or they do not what to say they do not pay, or they do not show their gratitude also, means they exploit the knowledge to save time, effort and expenditure, but they do not compensate properly for that. And now people are realizing the injustice and inadequate compensation and benefit, and also people and countries they are asking for means they are sharing their benefit between the developed and developing countries. Some nations developing laws to prevent such unauthorized exploitation of their bioresources and traditional knowledge. So that's the best effort against biopiracy. For example, the Indian Parliament has recently cleared the second amendment of the Indian Patent Bill that takes such issues into consideration, including patent terms, emergency provisions, and research and development initiative. So Indian Parliament has passed a bill which is helpful to stop biopiracy.